Hey everyone, my name is Josephine and I'm a consultant at the Writing Center, and I'm also a graduate student here at Mississippi State University. So today I just wanted to stop in and give a few tips on how to use some online resources in all of your writing endeavors. So some online resources can be really beneficial, while others we may kind of want to stay away from or be a little hesitant about. And so some things that can help would be websites like Grammarly. Sometimes we struggle a little with grammar. I personally struggle with a little bit with commas, and so sometimes Grammarly can help us. However, sometimes Grammarly also suggests stylistic changes, and those can sometimes take away from your tone and your voice and your personal voice showing up in your writing. So don't be afraid to kind of question those hints and make sure your own voice shines through. Also, citation makers can be really helpful. While these online citation machines can be really helpful, specifically if you don't have a lot of familiarity with MLA or APA or a new citation style, sometimes they are wrong, and you want to make sure you have all the information you can to put in the sources. And I would also recommend going to the APA or MLA citation guidebook and making sure that you're formatting your citations and the citation machines the same as the guidebook, which have the final say. So next, a question we get a lot of times is the use of ChatGPT or AI in your writing. The use of AI and ChatGPT is going to vary from classroom to classroom and professor to professor. So first, the most important thing is to check with your professor and see what their guidelines are for AI in the classroom. Some may allow it for, say, coming up with ideas for a paper or thinking about overall themes, while others may say not to use it at all. So the most important thing is just to check with your professor specifically and see what their ideas and their rules are on AI in the classroom. Lastly, I want to talk about pay-to-write online resources. That is one thing that we do not advise, because having someone else write a paper for you is plagiarism, and that goes against our code of ethics and our honor code here at MSU. So good luck with your writing, and be careful of the online resources. Sometimes they can help, but sometimes they're not good for you.